Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the earth's structure and landforms. From the first portion of this lesson that we are going to study the environment. The earth is the only planet in the solar system that support life. This is because the conditions suitable for life are found only on the earth. Then what is environment? Environment means the physical and biological conditions in which an organism lives make up its environment. The environment of an organism, environment that is provided by nature, form its natural environment. Our natural environment has two types: the physical environment that include water, soil, landforms, etc., and the biological environment that include plants and animals. After this, all these conditions and man-made things are also a part of our environment. The changes in this environment affect an organism. The environment is affected by the actions of the organism that are a part of it. Usually, nature works in such a way that the components of environment hardly change over a longer period of time. Next, the sphere of the earth. You know that the earth can be divided into three zones or spheres: the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. The lithosphere means the sphere of rock, and the hydrosphere means the sphere of water, and the atmosphere means the sphere of air. Next, that is the structure of earth. Generally, the layer of the earth or the structure of the earth we divide it into three types or three layers. They are the crust, the mantle, and the core. Firstly, the crust. The crust means the uppermost layer of the earth is a very thin with an average thickness of about 35 km. And second is the mantle. Below the crust lies the mantle. It extends up to the depth of about 2,900 km. The mantle has two parts, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The lower mantle is solid region starting at about 700 km, unlike the upper mantle. The third one is the core. The innermost layer of the earth is called the core. It is about 3,500 km thick. It is densest layer. It is believed to be made up of heavy metals like iron and nickel. After this, we are study about the rocks. The earth's lithosphere is made up of rock. Rock means it is made up of minerals, naturally occurring chemical components. For the base of the rock, for the forming of the rock, we generally divided the rocks into three types. They are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. The first rock is igneous rock. Deep below the earth's surface, rocks are in the molten state called magma. When magma cools and solidifies, it forms a very hard rock known as igneous rock. Much of the earth crust is made up of igneous rock. The igneous rocks are formed either on the surface of the earth or below it. The igneous rock generally be divided into two types. They are extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. After this, the sedimentary rock. Running water, wind, and moving ice carry small particles of rock. When these rock particles are deposited on land or on the beds of oceans or rivers, they are called sediments. Rocks formed by the deposition and hardening of layers of the sediment are called sedimentary rocks. The examples of sedimentary rocks are limestone, shale, gravel, clay and conglomerate. The next one is metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rocks is formed with the change of igneous and sedimentary rock under very high temperature or pressure. Such rocks, changed rocks are also known as metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are usually very hard. Some common examples of such rocks are marble, slate and quartzite.